Hello guys. Today we will see more of ant build files. So ant build files are written mostly in XML. So there's a problem with that. So in XML we cannot define a variable like as we do in Java programming languages such as Java, C, C++ or any other programming language. However, you have a scope to define variables in a somewhat other way. So it would have been useful if you can define some variable like other programming languages, but and provide us the scope to do it in something different way. So ant uses this property tag. So this property tag is basically what allows us to specify variables or properties. In this case we'll say it as properties. So it has a name and a value associated with that. So it acts as a name value pair. This allows the properties to be changed from one build from one build to another. So we can change the project name, we can change the project defaults, we can change the base dir by default and provide some of the variables or predefined properties. Some of them are ant.file, ant.version, base dir, ant.java.version, ant.project. So many more are there. We can see it in ant manual. So I will show it in later stages. So before starting, ant build files contains three basic attributes for a project. So a project will have three basic attributes. One is name, another is default, another is base dir. That is base directory. So name, as it suggests, the name of the project. I have my hello world project right here. We have a default. So what is this default? This default is the target. So if we have not provided any target over here, it by default takes the info. And base dir is something from which a directory from where all the basic calculations are done. So these attributes are, suppose I have provided a base dir attribute over here. So base dir will always calculate this base directory relative to the build.xml. So if you have provided base directory here and you are providing base directory somewhere in build.xml down the line, so you cannot do that. A build.xml can have only one base dir declared. Okay, so it must be one. So if neither you are defining over here and neither you are defining somewhere else inside that XML, so in that case what ant will do, ant will get base dir as parent directory of build.xml. So in my case the parent directory of build.xml is 1. You can see over here, this is the parent directory of build.xml. So it's always a relative path that is chosen over here. So that's what ant does. Okay, so each project we define will have some targets associated with that. So a target may depend on another target. Okay, so we may have a target for compiling, for running, for preparing, for building, for cleaning. We can clean the project, we can build the project, we can build jars. So we will always have a target associated with that, and that target may depend on another target. So in this way we can manage the sequence of targets execution. Okay, we can manage the order as well. So for that we have name associated with a value. So you can see over here ant.file you have written over here. So this ant.file is what? This is a system based property. So we can declare properties here. So and this property is using $sign over here. So what this does is that whatever the system property it gets, it replaces this one with the system property value. Okay, So we have dollar website name as well. So dollar website name is replaced with www.youtube.com. So let's see and let's run it over here so that we can check. So go to command line cd desktop cd ant test cd1. We will write over here ant. So this is what my end.build.xml looks like. So thanks for watching.